Welcome back, guys. Thanks for checking out another video. I have another Civic EP3 in the shop for a dyno tune today, and hopefully you guys are not getting sick of these cars. I like making these videos, so let me know what you think in the comments. But this EP3 has a pretty awesome swap and some good upgrades, so I thought I'd make a video for you guys, and hopefully you enjoy it. So like I said, EP3 Civic. This is a 2003 Civic SIR here in Canada. In the US, they were called SIs. This originally would have come with a K20 A3 engine, rated at something like 160 horsepower. The owner has swapped in a JDM K24 engine and 8th gen Civic Si transmission, brought it to me for tuning. The reason why I'm doing this video is it made the power that everyone is kind of shooting for on like a OEM plus type K24 swap. I'm gonna go into the details of the build, then I'll share some dyno results, and I'll share with you the final results at the end. So, like I said, K24 swap. This is actually a JDM K24A engine. The engine is internally stock in regards to pistons, rods, valve train, except it does have a set of Cartel drop-in cams, which can be used with the stock springs and retainers. It does have the upgraded K20 style 50-degree VTC gear, and it does have a K20 Type S oil pump. Other than that, the engine is completely stock. Original JDM K24 block, original K24 head, not a K20 head swap. It does have a Injen cold air intake. It has a stock EP3 original throttle body, an adapter plate to bolt it to an 8th gen Civic Si RBC intake manifold, RDX injectors, PLM shorty header, and a skunk to, I think it's like a 70 mil catback exhaust. I tuned it on Hondata Kpro today. It's on our 94 octane pump gas. So like usual, I've already done all the tuning. It's all done. Why don't I cut to the shots of the dyno pulls that I did, and then I'll share the results. right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed those dyno pulls. On to the dyno results. So this car today made the amount of power that everyone is basically shooting for in an internally non piston rod, not like crazy built K24 swap. Today it made basically 250 horse and 200 torque, made 249 and 203, which is, in my opinion, what everyone is kind of shooting for. 250 wheel horsepower, 200 torque out of basically a stock block with whatever upgrades, like all the bolt-ons. The reason why I'm making the video is because it is one of the ways of achieving this kind of power. A lot of guys will swap a K20 head on the K24 block using OEM cams, like a set of TSX cams or a set of 8th gen Civic CAI cams, but then you have to do a head swap. If you don't want to do the head swap, another way of getting this kind of power is JDM K24A, a set of drop-in cams. These drag Cartel cams are great. I tune them all the time. They make a little bit more power and you don't have to do any real upgrades to the valve train. If you want more power than this, then you step up to a set of drag Cartel 2.2s, but then you have to do the valve train as well. So this is the easiest route, I think, to make that 250 horse, 200 torque. And in reality, I think there's a little bit more power to be found. It is still running a stock size throttle body. It's unported RBC, so there's potentially a little bit more power to be found in the future if the customer wants to try to get a bit more out of it. But anyways, that's about it for this video. I thought you guys might enjoy it. Hopefully you did. If you liked the video, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, and I will continue to keep making these videos for you guys. So thanks again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.